Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Everything with Dipshita. This is a short room tour video of the place we were living for the 3 days for our Digha trip. This is the room we were having of the Orko residency. The place was really comfy and it was 1500 per day stay at the place with a very neat and clean ambience and a proper room. Uh, Three people could sleep in this bed, and it was very clean. The outside view was also very nice. It was greenery was there. There was silence and peaceful. But one thing was there. It was a little far from the sea. But apart from it, everything was good. I liked the place. You can also try it. Bye.
ওই দূরে সমুদ্র, অনেক দূরে।